episode. Today we're talking about earwigs. Did you know that the myth of an earwig, it goes in your ear and it eats your brain? Well, it's not true, it's just a myth. And also, earwigs are not poisonous, not venomous, or cannot cause infections. And also, earwigs have a little pincher on the back of them, which is not strong enough to pinch your skin off. Well, it kind of feels like a mosquito bite. Bye guys, in another episode. Have a nice day. Subscribe and like and share your friends.
No more mystery, earwig feeling blue.